In this video we're taking a close-up look at the brand new Airfix masking set for the Westland Lysander. Now this is something quite special. It's only the second time we've officially released a masking set designed specifically for one of our kits. You may have caught the inclusion of a masking set in the 124 Flying Dray Spitfire, so you know what to expect in terms of quality. As you can see here, this is what comes in the pack. You've got the printed instructions showing exactly where each pre-cut mask goes, and of course the mask sheet itself, clearly numbered. Everything's been matched perfectly to the clear parts in this kit, so there's no trimming needed, just lift, place and press. We're going to start with part X13 here. We're applying mask number 5 to begin with. You can see how easily it peels off the backing sheet. We're lining it up with the top corner and using the straight edge as a guide. It sits in place really well. You'll notice how the shape matches exactly to the framing, there's no stretching or fiddling needed. As we keep going, each mask is added one by one, carefully lining up the edges and gently smoothing them down. If you're doing this yourself, a cocktail stick is great for getting the masks into place. Just enough pressure to get them flush, but not too much pressure. It really doesn't take long and the fit is spot on. Now that all the masks are in place, we're ready to move on to paint. With RAF aircraft like the Lysander, the interior side of the Canopy frames would be cockpit green, so here we're spraying the inside first. That way, once the outer camo goes on, you've got an authentic finish with the correct colour visible from inside the cockpit. Before we commit to the clear parts, we're doing a quick spray test on a plastic spoon. Just checking the airbrush pressure and the paint quality. We're running it around 15 psi and using a thin mix of lacquer paint. This gives us good control and avoids flooding the masks. Now onto the real thing, and we're starting with a light dusting coat. That is key. You want to build the colour up slowly. A heavy coat could force paint under the mask and ruin the sharp lines. As you can see, the paint is going on evenly and it's drying almost instantly thanks to the thin layers. That's exactly what we want. We're continuing that same technique on all mask parts. Some sections, like the under canopy, only need exterior paint. Others, like this front screen, have masking on both sides, so we can spray both interior and exterior colours. Once everything's painted, we give it time to dry fully, then comes the satisfying part, peeling the masks away. We're doing this slowly and carefully, pulling along the edge of the paint line, and this helps prevent any accidental lifting or tearing. Now, if you take a look at this example we painted earlier, you'll see what we're aiming for. Cockpit green on the inside, camouflage on the outside, just like the real thing. This level of detail used to be tricky and time consuming, but with the masking set, it's effortless. And that's the brand new masking set for the Westland Lysander complete. A simple but really useful addition to the Lysander kit, and something we're really proud to include. We may be planning more of these masking sets in the future, so if there's a particular kit you'd like to see one for, do let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy modelling from all of us here at Airfix.